In the South Pacific, between Australia and Fiji, lays the French island of New Caledonia. And on the south side of the island lays the Blue River Park. The park is home to a bird that can only be found in New Caledonia, the kagu. Initially, cagoos can be hard to find as their gray feathers blend into the forest. But as you get closer, you can follow their whereabouts, which consists in looking for worms and insects on the forest ground. Approximately the size of a chicken, cagoos never had any predators until the early settlers introduced rats, cats, and dogs. And even though they have wings, they can't fly because they never had to. But if you are encroaching on their territory, cagoos will let you know. But their best defense mechanism is to carefully observe their surroundings. The other option is to just run away and find refuge in the bushes. If you want to see more of the beautiful Blue River Park, click on the picture on the left. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, click on the picture on the right and be the first to know about our next video.